How to change language in Amazon Shopping app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can change the language in the Amazon Shopping app. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to change the language in the Amazon Shopping app, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Amazon Shopping application here. Now maybe it is in a language that you do not understand. You understand English, but it is set to some other language. Do not worry, I will still show you how you can find it. Let's say that assuming you don't understand the language at all, right? You just have to look for this three lines icon from the bottom right hand side of your screen. So you want to make sure to just tap on this icon, and then you just need to scroll down and just scroll down until you'll find the settings. So in case you don't understand what the settings is, then you'll most likely see a flag icon on which the current country is selected. So you want to make sure to tap this option called flag icon here, and again you'll find the flag icon from the top that says country and language. So you want to make sure to just tap in country and language. And once you go to country and language, at the very top you have country, and here you have language. Currently it is set to English, so you can just tap on it and then set it to any other language that you would wish over here. If you would like to change it, tap on it again, just select another language. You can also choose to change the country in a similar manner. This way you can change the language on the Amazon app. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.